Hello everyone, my name is Jehan. Now I want to practice follow the sounds. Series. I made the series mistakes. Decide. Have you decided? Yes. Fix. Let's fix a time for the meeting. Success. The conference was a success. Serious. Are you serious? Service. The service is good in the restaurant. Apologize. Please apologize to her. Business is a pleasure doing business with you. Present. When the bride prefer that juice. That juice was amazing. Zip. Zip it slowly. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.